Wow, there's already a bunch of people waiting.
Oh.
No way. There's already 6 people watching it before I even went live. That's funny. Alright, so yeah, so Cloudflare is down for a few moments, it looks like. Let's see if they are still down. Let's see if they've tweeted anything about it yet. Nope, they haven't. Oh, wait. No, they haven't tweeted anything yet. So if we go to down detector here, we'll see what we can have here. There's Discord. Yeah, you should be able to see that. I'm going to pause it on my screen so that there. Twitter trending. LOL RIP Discord. Yeah. Yeah, there's lots of people down here. Discord. Let's go back to Cloudflare and see what Cloudflare people are talking about with Cloudflare. Let's see. Normally we can find some pretty funny comments. Even Bell's having... People are like, why is my bell not working? Oh. Nothing that interesting on Bell. Let's try DoorDash. So anybody that uses Cloudflare... Problem. Looks like Twitter is probably going to be the more interesting one for this. Whoa, there we go. Let's check the Cloudflare status. Having a bit of dropped frames here. There's not much I can do about that. Data centers impacted include S2C. Okay, there's a few of them. The API is having degraded performance. Let's see here. Cloudflare recursive DNS is having degraded performance. A bunch of stuff is rerouted. Issue has been identified and a fix is being implemented, it says. Okay, I'm going to bring up my email here because I have some emails that might have some details. Sure they were. I'll need a link for that. Cloudflare, widespread DNS. Oh, I saw the same. So in the last 15 minutes, and then you can DNS. Yeah. Where was the one else? Let's see. What is CVE 2015? What is that? Critical vulnerability in Windows. Oh, that's probably something else. I'm reading about CVE 2020-1350. Let's see. Interesting. I know this would require some intense global cooperation, but while the Brits check up on the internet up in Big Bend, perhaps the Americans do a quick power cycle of the giant global router in Colorado. That looks like a South Park episode I haven't seen yet. People are not happy with Cloudflare. How's everyone's day going today? Back to the down detector one. Well, it looks like the issue is probably cleared. Cloudflare help. We are aware that certain locations may be experiencing issues. Cloudflare is investigating issues with the with a Cloudflare resolver on our edge network in certain locations. Updates will be available here. What do y'all think? Anything interesting happening on your internet? Thanks everyone for watching, by the way. Don't forget to give the video a like if you found this interesting. Updating tags and info on the stream here. Let's see. What have we got? I'll refresh the Cloudflare status here and see if they say what's wrong with it. They're probably not going to say what's wrong with it. Can you imagine how much this web page is getting refreshed right now? Me and my friends were all talking and Discord just shut down. These comments are hilarious. Yeah, pretty much. Now we're just reading funny comments. I am in a mass panic. Oh, good grief, people. I doubt that it was on purpose. Things like this tend to happen accidentally. Yes, I think it's back now. I don't actually have Discord. Actually, maybe I do have Discord. Yes, I do have Discord installed. I just never use it, so let's see if it connects. Anybody remember, what was it, a year ago? Oh, it was like 5-6 years ago. Somebody DDoSed Cloudflare and tried to take down Cloudflare. They ended up taking out the Internet Exchange for like Eastern Europe, I think. It was pretty nuts. Yeah, that it was one of the largest sustained DDoS that had ever happened up to that date. It was over 140 gigabits sustained DDoS, I think. It was pretty nuts. Well, I think Discord is loading up here. I'm not sure. I've got a blank screen. And now I minimized it by mistake. Here, come back. Please hurry. If this takes too long, I might have to cook my own food, this person says. I'm using geosynchronous satellite internets right now, so I've got a really spotty connection when it comes to my internet. So I'm surprised that I'm actually even able to get a connection right now. Let me check out that thing the guy was talking about here. I will search it in another tab. Yeah, I find that unlikely. Oh yeah, it's definitely going to be on the news. It's already on the news online. Like Engadget did one. It's trending with 31,000 tweets in, what, an hour or so. See, there's TechCrunch. TechCrunch did an article about them already with 300 retweets. Cloudflare offers hosting, DNS, all kinds of basically computer hosting and servers and stuff. So if their if they have their service go down, it starts affecting all of the different people that have contracted them to run their websites, like anybody from Discord to DoorDash to all kinds of big companies, countries, all kinds of stuff. Yeah, this is pretty funny. Yes, this is pretty much it right here. Yeah, it's I believe they're back up and running. That one I am retweeting because that's funny. Discord, Down Detector, Riot, GitLab, Patreon, Athene, DigitalOcean, of course, because Cloudflare is huge. They're like AWS or oh, look at that. I guess even Amazon, I think, does something. A couple of years back as well, there was a fiber cut. Let me go and look for that here. I'm gonna find it. Alright, I'm just gonna have to go to it. Find it there. Where is the search? Oh, I haven't updated anything on here in a very long time. I'll find it in here. Hang on a sec. It's a really good story about when a fiber cable got cut where I was living. I haven't been on Blogger in years, so I better find my page here. Yeah, okay. There we go. From 2014. I don't want to edit, I want to view it. Alright, so this is 2014. What was happening, I came home and I noticed that a bunch of stuff wasn't loading properly, but it was loading weirdly. Like a bunch of the pictures would load in, or the text would load in, but the pictures wouldn't load in. And Netflix was down. So I did some research here, started figuring out, like you can see here, even then there was all kinds of weird traffic. But what happened was, let's see here, I'm going to zoom in so we can find. I did a lot of tweeting and stuff to figure it out. Like you can see that level 3 is having a problem here. This website doesn't even exist anymore. They got bought out and turned into something else. But I finally figured out, I found the original tickets. Alright, where's the thing here? So, we have a fiber cable between Newark and their one in Montreal. Let's see, where is the actual? So, they had 10 gigabit fibers. This is not happening right now. This is from 2014. But this is an example of how stuff goes wrong and what will happen to the internet. So, the provider has reported that their fault has been located and is determined to have been caused by road construction. It appears that a 120 count fiber was damaged by a new post being installed during the repairs to a highway guardrail. Splice crews remain en route to the area. An estimated time of arrival has not been provided. This was so like I was saying, it's usually not malicious. It's usually just somebody made a mistake, like this example here in 2014 where they lost let's see, that's 100 gig, 120, 140, 200, 220, and 260 gigabits of fiber that was cut back in 2014 on this ticket. I'll leave a link to the ticket in the description here for anybody that wants to go and look at it. Here, let me do that right now. Refresh this so that I don't mess it up. That's updated, that's in the description now. Oh, let's refresh Cloudflare status page and see if... Yep, okay, look at this. This afternoon, we saw an outage across some parts of our network. It was not as a result of an attack. It appears a router on our global background announced bad routes and caused some portions of the network to be not available. We believe we have addressed the root cause in our monitoring system. So, like I suspected, it's not actually a DDoS. It's not anything like that. It is simply an error, probably a human error, or a programming error, or a mistake of some kind that they've fixed pretty quickly, I would say. Didn't take them long at all to figure that one out. I'm going to paste that some other places here. well, I guess they pretty well identified what the problem was. There's quite a few people watching. I do tend to make videos when things go down like this. Like, I don't know if anybody remembers last year when Twitter went down for a little while. Oh, that was interesting. We got almost 1,000 views in 10 minutes. That was a lot of people watching. There's still a lot of people watching now, but yeah. Yeah, I know, you already looked at the status page. Yes. No, I don't think that they're going to say any more info than that. At least, not for a while. Good on Cloudflare to encourage social distancing by distancing everyone from the internet. No, you're supposed to do physical distancing, not social distancing. Oh. I just leaned my head out the window and heard 1 million tech leads shout, "It's not us, it's Cloudflare," into the phone at their angry bosses. Yeah, I agree. It seems to be back up for pretty much everywhere. Well, this looks interesting. This guy screen captured all of it. Oh dear. I feel like there's a lot of eggs in one basket here. Yeah, no. They did not get DDoS, that's for sure. They just screwed something up. Yeah, no update. Well, this is the most recent update. And people are telling me that dinner's ready. There's pizza waiting for me. Pizza. Pizza is calling me. Anyway, I think that's pretty much all that's going to happen for this. Because, well, that's what they're saying it themselves. That's on their site there. I'll paste. Actually, I can't paste that because it's too long. Yes, the video on demand will stay up. I don't take those down. Although it takes a little while for the my stream to get up because I'm using geosynchronous satellite and it's kind of slow. I'm gonna paste this thing right in the chat for people. There we go. Yeah, a lot of people are surprised that there's that much on one service. But yep, this is why. Well, you yeah, but then when you group all your baskets, what's this? Let's check out maybe Netflix or something. Probably not. No, they're just talking about state censorship issues. Definitely check out NetBlocks. I really like them. They follow when countries shut down the internet, like what's happening a lot in Iran right now. Yeah. Yep. Oh dear. Yeah, they haven't updated past that. If we update down detector, I'm sure everything is back here pretty well. Well, for the most part, yep. Yeah, anybody's ISP who's using Cloudflare to do DNS hosting or DNS resolving will have trouble with getting any website, because DNS is basically the yellow pages, white pages, whatever you want to call it, for the internet, for people that remember phone books. So when your computer, when you type in a web address and you say like google.com or largest DNS resolver services, so when that goes down, nobody's computer can find the internet anymore, so it seems like the whole internet's down. They can't get to any website, so they start tweeting like, oh, I can't get to this app or that app or the other thing, when happening is that the lookup tables are down, so nobody can actually look up where they're supposed to be access server. Nobody's computer can connect. So like if you're able to type in just the IP address, if you knew the numerical IP address, you could go to the website or ping the website. But if you try to do it through the text version, then you have a problem. Let me see, is the streams going? Yes, Bell is an ISP. So is Rogers, Shaw. It's showing me websites that it thinks I might be interested in, because I'm in Canada. That's probably why it's showing Bell first. But this is downdetector.ca or downdetector.com. I'm using Google DNS, which is why I still have internet access throughout this. But yeah. Yeah, I'm using satellite internet. So like I've got my camera, which is a DSLR, connected to HDMI to Ethernet converter that I then have running over a 50-foot Ethernet cable here into my computer, that then is converting it with OBS down to a much smaller bit rate. And then that goes over my high gain Wi-Fi to go into the house through like 5 walls, and then goes into the router there, and then that goes into a modem, which then goes up to a satellite dish on the roof. So yeah, there's like almost a 600 to 700 millisecond ping lag on anything I try to do on the internet, which is surprising. It's working actually pretty well right now. I think the reason the internet's working so well right now is that maybe people weren't able to use the satellite. They were using Cloudflare as their DNS or something, because this satellite isn't just used by the ISP that I use. It's used by a bunch of different ISPs. It's a multi-terabit, like state-of-the-art satellite of some kind or other. Get almost 16 megabits down on it, but about 1.5 up. So yeah. Yeah, it seems to be back to normal for now. I'm gonna go and have some pizza. I thank you all for watching. I would encourage anyone who enjoyed this to give it a like. I definitely make these type of videos whenever something weird goes down. So like Twitter goes down, Instagram, if it goes down for long enough and I'm not doing anything at the time, I will do a live stream and just chat about it, see if we can figure out what's wrong together as a internet community. So thanks again for watching. I'm gonna go have my dinner, and I will see you all again soon sometime. Thanks so much. Yeah, it's one of their core routers died. That's what it said on the status. Well, let me check the emails here quickly before I disconnect it. See if because I've connected to this outages mailing list. It says, yeah, significant packet loss to Cloudflare's network. AWS was having trouble because of it. I can't post this on YouTube because, like, I can't screen capture this because there's lots of personal information, phone numbers and stuff in these emails. So, let's see. Yeah, pretty sure. Yes, I just got a message from somebody. Where are we here? Friday outage. Okay, here we go. The consensus seems to be that Cloudflare is having regional issues of some combination in their web protection service and their DNS DOH services. If you're silly enough to have configured those anywhere. Everybody, please remember to read before you write. You are making 15,000 copies. We have enough queries. Please don't post any more on this unless you have any authoritative answers as to what happened. Yeah. Everybody started sending emails to the outages list saying, ah. Idiot. If I get any additional information in the emails as to tell us what exactly happened, then I will leave a link in the description. But until now, I think that's pretty much everything for this, their backup. And until somebody finds out what happened with our router and can post it for all of us to find out, let me check Reddit. Maybe Reddit will have something here quickly that I can find. Search for Cloudflare on Reddit. Yeah, r/sysadmin has one. Alright. Let's check this out quick. Looks like Cloudflare is having global outage. Nope, not a DDoS. No, I don't want to report comments. The DNS root zone servers were not responding. This. So maybe it was an upstream router, like somebody commented here. Yeah, I've seen stuff like that happen with the somebody getting mad, like the one person commented. The DNS root servers were down. I'm going to share this somewhere here. Very interesting. screenshot of that and send it to some people, so it might lag the stream for a second when I do that. They haven't updated this, so it'll be very interesting to find out later whether or not that's actually something that's going on, whether or not there's a deeper... Oh, there's more here. Yeah. Just more of the same stuff. People sending emails a while ago that didn't come through, etc. Something major went wrong. 2020 in a nutshell. Interesting, interesting. Very interesting. Anyways, the pizza's probably getting cold by now. Like I said 5 minutes ago, thanks for watching. I'm gonna head out now, I think, and leave a like, leave a comment, or whatever, you know, lots of comments. Thanks for watching. Y'all are awesome. Next time the internet goes down, I will make another video. Cheers.